Okay, let's put some pictures in here. We want to put a picture in right here. So our picture needs to go above this section, but after our header. But we also want it in the left column. Okay, so left column, and then our section. We want to stick it right here. Alright? There's our picture. Just where we want it. Let's put another picture in here. And we want to have it right here. But we also want to have the text flow around it. So what we're going to do is put it after welcome and then right here. Okay? Alright? So now we need to make this text flow around our picture. And to do that, we need to float this picture right. Okay? What I'm going to do is, instead of putting an inline style here, I'm going to make a special class up here. And I'm going to call it float right. And that needs to be with the period. And it'll just be float right. Okay? So then, anything I want to float in a certain direction, I could have also made one for floating left, but if there's any kind of element that I want to float in a certain direction, I can just apply that class to it and do that instead of doing an inline style. It just makes your markup cleaner. So class equals float right, and don't forget your quotes. And now it is where it needs to be. But we need to fix our margins because this text is way too close to this picture. So here's what you do. We can target images that are floated right by doing img float right. What this says is any image that has the class of float right, do whatever. And what we want to do is have a margin of 10 pixels. And there we are. Got some nice spacing around it. And next up, we need to put a footer on here.